Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create a cinematic title in Adobe Premiere Pro 2019 with a really simple way, and I think you will accomplish this in a few minutes. So what you want to do first is be in a project, right click, new item, and choose adjustment layer and press alright, OK. It will create an adjustment layer. Take it and paste it on your timeline. Now when we have it, go with the 7 seconds. You can see it here, 7 seconds. Now what we need is a text on our adjustment layer. You can see it here, the text button. Take it and just write it here. Just create this red object. Okay, and right there, introduction. It doesn't matter what you're gonna write there. Just write there your logo or something. Now what you want to do is to go on graphics. It's the nearly last button here. Click on edit next to the browse, and you will have it here, align and transform, and click on both of these. Oh my god, okay. Introduction, edit, introduction. Yep, it doesn't want to work, so we are going to choose different way. I'm not going to record different video because sometimes it's bugging out that when you're gonna click on align and transform, it will put on the middle right here, but sometimes it's not going to happen, so we need to improvise. Go back to editing. What you want to do is make your introduction text or your logo text, cinematic title text, right on 7 seconds. When you have it, go here to effects controls, and now the fun starts. First, you can change your source text to whatever you want. I'm going to choose the popular STD because I think it's the most awesome for this introduction. You can also change the tracking. I recommend make it bigger, all right, for your text, like this. And what I want to show you is go with the text again, and you will find it here, the transform position. If it won't align on the middle, do it yourself, all right? Like I'm doing it right now. Transform position, and I'm going to put it on the middle. Okay, like that. So I think this is in the middle, right? Yep, it is in the middle. So when we have it, we got the text and we got everything. Undo and like that. What you want to do now is to go to video and motion. So we are going to play with it now. First, what you want to do is to change the opacity. So click on it and let's create a keyframe. At first keyframe, the opacity will be at 0. Let's go on 2 seconds. The opacity will be at 100, and as you can see, it automatically creates a keyframe for us. It will stay like that until 4:30 maybe. Create keyframe. Just press the button here. And on 6 seconds, 6:20 it can be, it will fade away. So let's see how it looks like. If we did some mistake or no. Introduction. It stayed like that. Voila. Now what you want to do, what I recommend, choose all your keyframes Just hold your mouse button. Oh my god, I can't even... Right click on one of the buttons and ease in. What will happen? That it's much smoother for you. The cinematic title will be much more better. Now, the next thing, we are going to scale it. What you want to do is to click on a scale, create this button here, the hourglass, click it, and go on the end. Again, add or remove keyframe and go on 110. What will happen? It will start slowly increasing. You see that, like, voila, amigo. And now, and this is the last thing you want to do, is go to effects, right there, blur, and you will find here the Gaussian blur. Take it, paste it on your text. It will clear it for you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yep, here it is. The Gaussian blur. What do you want to do now? So, first, it will be like this. If we create a keyframe here, which is going to be on... Yeah, I know now. Blurriness, again. Another keyframe to 50. No. It needs to be different. I'm not going to delete this video because we are learning together. The first keyframe is going to be 50. Yep. The second keyframe is going to be 0. It will stay like that at the 0. We need to reset that. Let's reset it whole. So again, it will start at 50. Now, it will stop here at 0. It will start some like here to 515 again. And the end will be again 50. So what we demanded from the program with the keyframes is that on the beginning it's blurred, then it's normal, and blurring starts again. So, and let's see. We did it, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we are in. And I like it. So this is how we create a cinematic title. I know I bugged out a little bit at the graphics part and in the blurriness. I need to remember how I did it the first time when I was making a video with Adobe Premiere. But yep, this is how we do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you can do. You can support me with subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye. Peace.